Whoa, what's that?
Oh, it's my new mobile Pixels Float.
The what?
The Float. It's 2 screens, it's super easy setup. You just plug it in and really that's it.
The float?
Yeah, the float.
Why, the float? Oh, the float.
Yeah, the float. You get double the screen space, super fast setup time. Honestly, this thing's pretty awesome. I get so much work done, dude.
Dude, definitely. Float.
Yeah.
Yo, Steven, you see this?
Huh? Oh, yeah, that's cool, bro.
I miss the old Steven.
What in the world? Is that a second screen?
Yeah, check it out. So not only does it double the screen space, but there's also 3 different viewing modes. So stacked like this, and then there's presentation mode.
Huh? And what's the third mode? Time travel.
It also works as its own independent display for things like my Nintendo Switch. So no matter where you are or what you're doing, it... Dude, come on.
Yeah, but how does it work?
So you just open it up and plug it in.
1K. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, the Float's stacked orientation is more ergonomic than traditional side-mounted monitors. Easier to use and takes up less space. It's a 1080p touchscreen with a matte finish that's easy on the eyes. It has 2 USB-C ports with pass-through charging and has 3 viewing modes: dual screen, presentation, and desktop. All supported by its built-in kickstand.
Man, come on, dude. With the new mobile Pixels Float, you can work from anywhere, and we mean anywhere.
What? It's my snack time. Hey guys, I think you're gonna see this.